we've been reading about, we've been hearing in from people who have learned from you and who've used this healing modality. There is Kadambari, who had learned it from you and gave her daughter 21 days of Merkaba healing and saw results of her daughter being calmer, more positive, having a clearer outlook in life. Shakuntala had a chronic lower back problem for which she was getting no help from anywhere. 70% better now because of these healings. Chandana also learned from you, gave her father Merkaba healings for 21 days for his right leg healing, and it has for the pain in his right leg, and it's gone completely. And Bijal has even said that this is a gift, it's a precious gift that anyone can get, and that she is blessed to have received it from you. This is just, it's so much goodness. There seems to be so mumuch power here. So, Kavita ji, what is Merkaba healings?
So, before I go to Merkaba, what is Merkaba? I would like to tell you how I got Merkaba. I was once sitting in meditation on 29th April 2016. Suddenly, Ma Durga appeared, and I was just thrilled, saying Ma Durga. And then suddenly I saw a lady in white with her hair open, and with a whip in her hand. So I just asked Ma Durga, who is this and what is this? What are you trying to show me? She said, it is you. I said, me? How can it be me? Yeah. She's so slim and this thing, I am so fat. How can it be me? So she said, it is an icon of you. The whip symbolizes that you will release the dark energies from the world. For that, then I was shown a star, like, star was just flashing in front of, and this was what was flashing in front of me. Wow. I did not know what it was. So I just asked, I said, what is this? Because I never seen this. So she said, it is a Merkaba, and you're going to do Merkaba healing and workshops with this. I said, I was just, I couldn't take it, like, how me, I said, I don't know anything about Merkaba. How can I do the workshop? She said, don't worry, I will teach you. I was really, tears came into my eyes. I said, my goodness, I'm such a, like, a meager person, a normal human being. How can I get such a gift from the divine? I was very, very grateful to her, of course. And then somehow, I said, but I couldn't understand what she was trying to tell me, because I had not seen Merkaba. I had not heard the word of Merkaba, and suddenly showing me this, and you have to do the workshop with this. Yeah, I got a little distressed also. And then, she's showed me certain symbols. She said, you're going to attune the people with these symbols. I said, okay. I registered all that. And then, after that, I started searching on the net for what is Merkaba. Like, actually, I could not understand. It was such a heavy subject. I could not understand what actually Merkaba was. Nearly, after that, some 6 months passed, and I could not take up the workshop because I could not really understand what it is. I finally gave up, and I told her, I'm sorry, I cannot take, I don't know what to do. She said, don't you know the benefits of it? I said, no, I don't know. She said, okay, note down the benefits. Then I noted down all the benefits of the Merkaba. I noted on that. Then, after she explained to me, she gave me the date. Now on 18th September 2016, you're going to start this workshop. Yeah.
Wow.
18th September 2016, you're going to start this workshop. But then by this time, I was clear, because the way she explained to me, I said, my goodness, I spent so many months searching in the net for it, and I got it in such an easy way. After that, in 2 days, I prepared my notes and I was ready for the workshop. And she said, don't feel this thing, nervous, like, you take up your healer team first and teach them at a meager 500. Even the, fees she used to fix up for me, Initial times, she used to fix up the dates for me, Merkaba. Then, but before, one day before, I could not like gather that courage to teach. Yeah. So I said, I don't know how the workshop will go, how it will go. So what I did, I said, better ask tarot card how it is going to go. So in that nervousness, I asked the tarot card how my workshop will go. And you won't believe me, I got a negative card.
Oh, no, what? Seriously?
My goodness, that night I cried and cried and cried. I said, my, what is this? The Ma Durga wants me to go in public and I'm getting a negative tarot, this thing, tarot card. And then she told me, don't you have trust in me? I said, yes, I trust you, definitely. But the point is, tarot cards are visible. You are invisible. How am I to trust whether it is my thoughts or whether it is really who is telling me? So she, gave me one incident. She said, remember the time when you were going to give your woolen shop on rent? Yeah. I said, yes. She said, remember you canceled the deal at the last moment. You got angry and you canceled the deal at the last moment. I said, yes. Yeah. Who made you angry? I. Because I felt, that person who was going to sign the deal was with you was not a proper person. So I canceled the deal. So this is how I'm going to help you. If at all anything is not right for you to speak out, I will not allow you to speak out. Then I said, that this theory part and all is very difficult and all. She said, don't bother about that. If the theory is difficult, if people ask you anything, tell them, experience my work. Yeah. Once they get to it, automatically they will forget the theory part because experience is more than the theory. Theory anybody can get from the net, from get anywhere. But experiencing your own is a very different thing. So anyway, I conducted my first workshop on 18 September 2016, as I told you. And believe me, it was a fabulous workshop. And everybody got very good experiences in my first workshop. And, but still, human mind always has a doubt.
Right.
So I was saying, okay, she told me all these benefits. I taught them. What is the proof that all this is actually going to happen? Yeah. Right. You must give me a proof, the confidence will increase, the anger will reduce, and all that. That big list she gave me. I said, what is the proof of all that? Yeah. So what I did, I took a survey of a progress report of my students, my first healers batch and the next batch that I conducted. After taking the progress reports, everybody's report was excellent. And after that, I became very confident. Yes, it is the truth and I can conduct, and now I am capable of conducting the workshop, and now Ma, I trust you, I can go ahead. Merkaba works on the principle of sacred geometry. It is just like you have the chakras, similarly you have the Merkaba, a subtle body, a subtle energy inside you. Okay, now it is, just like, if your chakras are not activated, the body is not in harmony. So at this stage, your Merkaba is in a dormant state. Only when it becomes active, then whatever the list I told you, I'll be telling you about the benefits of the Merkaba, you can only get that after it is activated. It raises your energy level, and it was the vehicle of the ascended masters. See, actually, Merkaba, anybody who learns, you can heal at you can heal at physical level, you can heal at a mental level, you can heal at a psychological level, you can heal financial issues, you can heal anything and everything. There's nothing that you cannot heal with Merkaba. That is one thing. Secondly, it is a great protector. If you see the images, you will see that you are inside the Merkaba. So we are protected inside the Merkaba. Okay. So that's a great, because nowadays so much negative energies are around. So to protect ourselves, it also is a great problem. It increases your confidence level. It increases your intuition. It reduces your anger. and then actually it takes you your vibration, it makes your vibration higher. Main thing is, like if your uh, vibrations are high, naturally you attract, naturally you find peace, naturally you manifest everything. It balances your male and female energy, clears your increases your clairvoyance, clairaudience, all those five clairs. See, actually, there was a lady, when she first came to me, and she
Right.
was in a very bad state. Like, mentally, she was so disturbed, And though she was practicing many spiritual practices, she was doing meditations and all that could help her for some time. But then she could not really get out of it. So when she came to me, I advised her to do the Merkaba workshop. So when she did the Merkaba workshop, actually within 15 days, she came to her original state. These are her own words. Everything, like everything on her house front, it was not all right. On her of work front, it was not all right. And everything was all right after the 15 days. And
Okay.
she says when she gave healing to her family members, she herself also was getting healed.
Right.
So that was the beauty. That is the beauty of Merkaba, which we have experienced in many ways. Ki when you heal others, you also get healed. Even in the dark energies, when you heal others, your dark energies also get released. This is the
Right.
beauty of Merkaba.
As everybody, most of the people are pretty new to this Merkaba. I was the same person. I was not knowing what exactly it is, and I am also a Reiki healer. But the moment I came to know that there is one healing technique which can heal people in just 5 minutes, I was literally shocked, and I wanted to learn it because being as a Reiki healer, I used to heal for like 1.5 hour for myself. Healing is first necessary, and then only you can heal others. So in 5 minutes, healing is going to be a magic for me. So for myself, it worked like magic. My energy shift is tremendous when I started learning Merkaba. I mean, it's just I became calmer. I was like an angry person. Now my energies are so well. I mean, people give me the review that Pranati, when we come across your aura near to you, you are completely positive person. The major thing is my parents had a troubled relationship, and I started healing my mom and dad's chakras, and they were not knowing about it. And I was not having any kind of proof, is it working or not. And eventually there was one family function, and I saw them, and it was a surprise and a shock for me that these guys were never used to talk to each other at home. It's always fighting. And I saw them, they were enjoying, they were dancing together, and they were clicking pictures with each other. And I was like, what is happening here? I did not actually expected this thing happened, but it happened. The first thing I learned from ma'am is you should not expect. You just do it from your own, just think positive and do it. Markaba and Ma is always there to take care of. Divine is going to be there with you. So I never had a family picture with them since years. Now I have like a lot of pictures with them. Talking about Kavita, man, frankly speaking, her presence is all about magic. When I saw her in first class of Markaba, I was mesmerized. Her love is always felt by her presence. After Markaba, my ascension level has increased a lot. Initially, when I used to do it in my first level of Markaba, it was just going like 10, 15 centimeters, kind of that level. But now it goes up above my head. And that change I can see in myself. I feel so confident about myself that my energies are so well. So it all about you feel happy, the changes happens automatically. So, but the most important thing is you need to heal every day. That is something which is takes hardly 10-15 minutes. But healing every day gives you such a energy booster that you get that confidence within that you can change anything.
It hardly takes 3-4 minutes to heal a person. Now, since she is dedicated, she was doing for her parents, for herself, and for many other things. She must be sitting for 10 minutes or so to heal. But
Right.
actually, one healing actually requires 3 to 4 minutes, max 5 minutes. In 5 minutes,
Absolutely.
you can literally heal a person. Of course, it depends. Heal a person doesn't mean that person will get completely healed. You will sense it, and of course, depending on the illness or depending on the problem, you have to heal for so many number of days or something like that.
Right.
And the best thing I would like to tell everybody is, just as I did this group healing for y'all, one who learns they can do this way, the same group healing for others also. That is the beauty of it. You can heal even thousands of people at a time. You can even program your healing. Like suppose if I say, ki, today somebody wants to go for an interview on say the 9th, okay? And they request you to do the healing for them on the 9th. On 9th, you are busy, you cannot do it. Yeah. So what you can do is you can do the healing on the 7th and program that healing, that this person is getting the healing on the 9th for such and such a interview or whatever it is. Sorry.
Yes.
You know what? Why this is called the doctrine of Merkaba? Our aim is to do research in Merkaba, more and more research in Merkaba. So,
Right.
we actually, when after doing the part 2, we have a Merkaba house, like, where we meet always. And then, just as now, she has, that is her, we have not taught her how to do auto writing with Merkaba or how to do face reading with Merkaba. That is her own research, is her own learning. So when such students, they practice on their own, everybody comes out with something or the other, and we also learn from them. And then we know, yes, Merkaba can do this also. We keep meeting, and then we keep talking about things. Everybody has his own way of research or using the tool. Like
Right.
one person, he told me, Merkaba has become my lover. Yeah. And he said, I told my lover to wake me up at 6 o'clock. Yeah. And sharp at 6 o'clock, I got up. Yeah. So this is
Wow.
this is like fun using Merkaba. You can use it in
Right.
any way. And
Right.
it helps you in whatever you ask, you get.
Does this healing work for ailments if organs like kidney, lungs, for ailments of organs like kidneys and lungs, also cancer, diabetes, hypertension, etc.?
Yes,
Does it?
definitely. That is, that is comes in the second part of it. Because,
Right.
what we have is we have the sounds and the symbol for each ailment, and a base, and then special mudras. It is not the mudra, that just mudra holding. It is the mudra healing. With the mudras we heal. Holding the mudras we heal. Actually, we had a case of cancer, and the person was at the last stage,
Okay.
and he came for healing for his mother, with great hopes. He had heard of me and he came to me, and I was reluctant to take his case because it was the last stage. And even Jyotishis had told him, great astrologers, well-known astrologers had told him that his mother's life would be only for a year. And for 21 days, I gave the healing. 2 cycles of 21 days healing I did, and she was getting much improvement. And then I asked him, it is better you learn, because cancer is such a case that it requires constant attention. Yeah.
Right.
Anytime, person is this thing, you should be ready. So Merkaba is such tool, that it is like acts like your first aid, I should say. So he learned the Merkaba, and then after that, you won't believe me, now 3-4 years have passed, and his mother is perfectly fine.
In fact, Dilip Chavan had asked, will it help heal white spots on the body, which is vitiligo, and a person has a relapse of cancer, can it heal cancer permanently?
My student, she is here, Monica. She had healed white spots.
I would like to answer Dilip like as he has asked ma'am about vertigo. So I am a multi-modality healer, and I happen to have a fortunate. I had been fortunate to learn it from Kavita ji, Merkaba Healing, and I utilize this for one of my clients. That was a childhood case, and I did that healing, and for it's been I did for 2 cycles and for 21 days, and she has at least the 50% of results has we have achieved, and the healing is still going on with her. And the childhood, because it's a very chronic thing from childhood, and it's like that the person is 35 at this age. So, and it has come within 2 cycles of 21 days, like the it has shown a lot of improvement. Even other critical cases also apart from that. I had a client who was suffering, who got a heart attack and was in ICU. And with the Merkaba healing, within just 1 cycle of 21 days, the person became all right. He was able to walk. I imagine a person on stunt with a heart failure,
Wow.
that working and coming out with coming it's like a critical case is very difficult to handle, and in
Right.
that it was Markaba was wonderful, and it's like you can get amazing results. I have had a lot of critical cases. Another one was of tongue paralysis, that total
Okay.
paralysis of the tongue. The person could not talk. So in that, now the person, she's 100% healed. She can talk, and that you can understand a person's situation who cannot talk, and
Right.
the paralysis affects the left. It was even on the left side. The hand was also paralysis. Now 100% healing. Yeah.
And I would like to add on, Monica has healed at least 5 COVID cases. Am I right, Monica?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,